Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to discuss the book back exercise of chapter 2, that is nutrition and animals. The first, it is fill in the blanks. First question, the main step of nutrition in humans are dash, dash, and dash, and dash. So, here you are going to fill the steps of nutrition. So, what is the process of intaking of food and the process of breakdown of food into the simpler form, and next two steps what happened to the food in the stomach, at last the undigested food is get expelled out, what is the process name called? This is the answer for the first question. Next, the largest gland in the human body is, what is the largest gland in the human body? Find out. And third question, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on the food. So you know that stomach is secreting some secretions. So one is hydrochloric acid, and what is the other name? The juice which is secreted by the stomach which acts on the food. And next question, the inner layer of the small intestine which has a finger-like outgrowth. What is the name of that part called? Okay. Next, amoeba digest its food in the, they are asking the particular organelle where the food is get digested. Next, it is mark T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. You are going to read the statement and mark it as true or false. First, digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Think wisely and mark the answers that is true or false. Next question, the tongue helps in the mixing of food with saliva. So the tongue is present in the buccal cavity which helps in the food to mix with the saliva, whether it is true or false. The gallbladder temporarily stores the bile. So gallbladder, where it is present, it is in the liver. So check out what is the secretion of the liver. And next, the ruminants bring back swallowed grasses into their mouth and chew it for some times, whether it is true or false. Next, third subdivision, tick a mark the correct answers in each following. So you are going to choose the correct answer. Fat is completely digested in. They have given the options as stomach, mouth, small intestine and large intestine. So we know that the bile juice which act on the fat for the digestion of fat. So where this is get poured for the digestion of fat, that is the answer for that question. Find out. And next, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in. So they are asking particular organ where it is, whether it is in stomach or food pipe, small intestine or large intestine. Find the answer. Fourth subdivision, match the item of the column 1 with the column 2. You are going to match the following. First, I am reading out the column 1, food components. They have given the components of the food. First, it is carbohydrate, proteins and fat. So these are the components of the food they have given. And in column 2, the products of digestion. After the digestion, what will be the product gets changed? Fatty acid and glycerol. Second, it is sugar and amino acid. So think that that after the digestion, what will be the product, this food product of this food components. Okay, and think wisely and match the following. Next, which part of the digestive canal is involved? Here they are given some clues. You are going to find out the part of the digestive canal which perform this function. First, it is absorption of food. So where the absorption of the food has taken place. Okay, chewing of food. Chewing of food, which organ do this job? And killing of bacteria, a secretion, here it is used. So find out that name. Complete digestion of food, in which organ the complete digestion of food will take place. And formation of the feces, where the fecal matter is get formed, the particular organ you have to write. Next, match the following, that is the item of column 1 with the suitable to the column 2. First, column 1 I am reading out, salivary glands, stomach, liver, rectum, small intestine and large intestine. Next, in this column 2, bile juice secretion, storage of undigested food, saliva secretion, acid releases, digestion is completed, absorption of water, release of feces. So you have to match the column 1 with column 2. Salivary gland. Check out what is the secretion of salivary gland. And next it is stomach. Stomach, here also what is the role of the stomach? And liver, what is the secretion of the liver? Next it is rectum, what is the function, what is the work done by the rectum? And next it is small intestine. So small intestine, it do some particular work, no, what is that? And next it is large intestine. So what is the role of the large intestine? Find out and match the columns. Next it is to label the parts in the digestive system. So here the pipe like structure, what is that pipe like structure? You have to write it. And next a bag like structure which is J shaped, what is the name of it? And here what is a bladder like structure and what is the name of the bladder? You have to write. And here it is a gland which is present below the stomach, what is the name of the gland? And highly coiled structure, what is this name called? After that a long coiled structure, what is that name called? Next to that, here it is an organ where the fecal matter is get stored, what is the name of the part? And at last the end of the digestive system, what is the name of the part called? Okay, label all those parts in your book. Okay, thank you children.